Hello, I am Louise, nutrition consultant, Tiny Tums from the Health Kick, and I want to talk to you about my services for menu development, menu review, menu planning, because your menu is a really important piece of paper within your setting. It shows parents how you support early childhood development via the meals that you give them. It shows teams how you value that food relationship and how important that is for you as a company and for them working with children. But it is a job I find that not many people like doing. I find it's a job that kind of gets passed around and it's a real pain for people to then build it. So you might have favorite recipes and you might have days where you think, okay, we know we want to have these things, but it's the putting it together that I find people don't like doing. So making sure that it's balanced across a week and across a 3 or 4 week rotation, however you work, so that there is that cross section and nutritional balance to support early childhood development and also minimize workload in the kitchen. So you're not having days where there's lots of effort required on, multiple stages to different dishes. I take all of those things into consideration when I do my menu building with my settings. And I like to work with chefs, not against chefs, because I'm not a chef and I don't have particularly brilliant cooking skills. I can cook as a mum, absolutely, but I'm not professionally trained. So I always listen to chefs and take their ideas into account very much. My role is to advise and tweak on how you might make that dish more nutritionally suitable for early childhood, how you might make that dish support a baby's brain a bit better, or how you might make your allergen dishes nutritionally equivalent to your main menu, which is another area that people struggle with in terms of, well, we know we can eliminate these allergens or intolerances, and we know we need to be free of them, but actually, how do we replace the nutrients? So they're the things that I look for when I build your menus, making sure that every single item on your menu is there for one reason, which is to support early childhood development. I will also make sure that you are fully compliant in terms of the EYFS. So there are two sections that we need to consider. One is the safety element of food. So safe shape, safe cutting, allergen control, but also the nutritional implications. So the nutrition guidance came out. Are we happy that we're meeting that? And are we confident that we are adhering to the table set out in there? I can make sure that you are. So I can help you with your menu development and make sure that all of the paperwork that goes with that, your policies, your any communication to parents via apps or videos or ebooks is also, up to date and informing parents as well as your teams of everything that they need to know about your menu. So I'm Louise. I can help you take the headache away from your menu development.